Okay, you're a DJ, weekend DJ. You're a rock photographer. You're a host of Beyond the Shot.
Behind the Shot.
Behind the Shot. Tell everybody about Behind the Shot.
So Behind the Shot is my podcast, and you're going to be on it, right? You've agreed.
I'm on it.
You're
as far as
you're on it right now. Yeah.
I'm on it.
And
Yes.
Behind the Shot, the basic idea is, I always looked at interviews and thought interviews are a cool thing to learn about people, but in the end, when I learn about a photographer, I want to see their work. And I always thought, what would happen if I could interview a photograph? What if I could better understand a photographer by understanding the choices they made on one photograph? So in each show, we get a photographer on and we pick one photograph and we dissect it. Why they made the choices that they made. And it's a video podcast, but it's also available both in video and audio form. It helps if you go look at the photo on the website at least first. And then other than that, I'm a little bit of everything. It kind of depends what day you hit me. I've been in radio for 40 years. I do my live music photography. I'm an IT consultant by trade, so it's a little bit of everything.
And what's your favorite of all?
My happy place is probably being in a photo pit at a concert. There's something about, and oddly enough, I love photographing the live music, but there's something about being in a photo pit like a minute or 30 seconds before a major act hits the stage. There is an energy in the room before the Foo Fighters hit the stage, right? That's just very difficult to capture on film, if not impossible, but it's just an energy that is so fun.